Today I'm going to be walking you through how to remove any background off of any logo using a simple automation. I use this for when I'm building websites to just isolate that logo so you don't have like a ring of black or white around it, and it blends really well to the website. You can use this for anything, whether you're cutting people out or doing logos like I'm doing, or if you have people in an image and you want to move them to a different background or put them into a photo. The possibilities are really up to you, but let's get right into the workflow. So before we hop right into the workflow, I want to say thank you guys for 40 subscribers. I really appreciate the love that all the videos are getting. Some of these are, in my opinion, doing really good numbers. I mean, 80, 110, and this is just insane. So I love this process so much, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. I really can't wait to see where this channel goes, and I'm super excited for the whole process. This is the workflow that we got for this, right? So I'm going to show you guys start to finish how it works right now, and then I'll break it down, and then we'll get to building. So guys, this is the logo that we're going to be working on right now. As you can see, it's got a black space on it, and when you input this into the website, at least the website builder that I'm using, it's not going to automatically adjust this to be transparent. This automation makes it super simple. So all we do is create a Google Drive and then have the client icon right there, and then this transparent icon. And that's where it's going to move to after it's ran through its course. So what we're going to do is click and execute the workflow. It's going to go and find this folder, download it, make the HTTP request to remove.background, upload that file to our new section in the transparent, and then delete the original file. So if we go back to Google Drive, we can see that there's nothing there. And now we're in transparent icon. We can load it up and everything is transparent. So that's how quick it is. And then from there, you can just download it and then input it to your website. So this is the start of our workflow. We're going to input the trigger manually module. Just go to the plus, go down to here, and you'll see that you can add a when clicking execute workflow. Next step we're going to do is we're going to go to Drive. And if you haven't connected your Google Cloud credentials, then I will link a video right above. And that is going to walk you through it. It's the easiest way to do it I've seen. I show you how to connect Gmail, Drive, and Sheets. So right here, we're going to go for a search to find that exact one that we want. And then we're going to go to a search node. So you can scroll down and click search files and folders. Once you have that right here, we can have the resource be a file or folder. The operation is search method, search file, folder name. Search query is just going to be logo and to return one. It's going to return the name, the ID, and the icon link. You can find this under options. I already have this filled out, but I believe there's something at the bottom. You can just add fields. So why did we put search query logo? Whenever you upload this, make sure that the name is whatever client it is, logo. And so I named these all icon so it wouldn't return those. But once you drop the logo in here, it's going to actually be able to find it. And then obviously when it goes to the process, it's right there with the exact same name. And I'll show you how to do that. And actually, I'm going to run this again just so we can see how we can plug everything in. Makes it a little bit easier visually. So we have our file that we found, and this is returning logo. It sees the name right there. And then we're going to download this file. We're going to use the JSON ID, which it should pull back right there. And then the file name is going to be the exact same name. And that's just so we know exactly what we're looking at. It's going to output it in a binary, which will just be data. So it's basically just outputting like a photo. And from there in the HTTP request, it's going to return the normal photo and then the no background photo of that one that we uploaded. So how do we do this? Well, we're going to hop over to remove.bg API, and an account is free. You do get 50 credits when you initially sign up. I don't have a code or anything like that, but 50 credits, I mean, depending on your volume, you may need to upgrade, but I'm going to use the 50 credits. And then when I need to upgrade, I'll upgrade. I think it's like $10 a month. All you're going to do for this is copy and paste this curl and take out this money sign. So copy and paste that. You'll head over here and then paste it directly in here and then insert your API key right there. You can find your API key after you have set up an account, go to API and then click on Get API Key. And then right here, you will click New API Key, and then this is mine that I have right now. After you've copied and pasted everything, it should fill out similar to this. If not, I don't think it did fill out similar to this, so I'll show you what exactly I changed. This URL is going to be the same with no authentication. and then we're going to send the headers using this API key. So this is how it will actually verify that you do have an account, you do have an API token. And then right here, you'll click send body. This is going to be form data from an n8n binary file. The name is image_file, and the input data field name is data. And then the only thing you will have to do at the very end is in the options response, the response format will be a file, and then it will output the no-background.png. And now you have the two separate files. So once you have the two separate files, it's ran its course, the image is transparent, and we're going to go to upload file. Now what we're doing is we're going to select a file to upload. This is the input file name, just to make sure that they're different and you know exactly which one it is. You're going to rename the file to this over here, which would be the JSON name, and that's going to keep it the exact same. So then this will be from your drive, and then go ahead and click the folder that you want, which will be the transparent icon. After that, you can execute this step, and now it has uploaded that new file. And so we can essentially get rid of the first one because we didn't want that to begin with. So I went ahead and added a delete file. We're going to select this file to delete, and then it's going to be the ID. So you're going to want to make sure that you don't have this ID. This is the new one. You're going to want to go to the old one. So go down here, and this was the file that we downloaded. Click on this download file ID because this was the original photo that we downloaded to upload to remove background. So you can go ahead and delete that. And then as it's run its course, you can go and check out your new transparent icon. And now this is ready for you to either put on a website or put on a flyer, doesn't matter, but this is how to make any image transparent. This platform works really well. And so I wanted to show you guys that because as I'm building out these automations for me to use, I just kind of think of all the labor that I'm doing, and I'm like, well, this isn't that difficult. Let me see if an AI bot could do this. And lo and behold, it does not take that much time or effort to set these things up. And once they're set up and good to go. So if you guys have any questions, I do my best to get to every single comment that is left in the YouTube comment section. Just leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can and help you through building this workflow. But as long as you know how to connect Drive and you went through this carefully, you should be all set. However, things happen, so I'm always right here to help you guys. Just drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. If you didn't see my most recent video, this is how we're sending out tons of websites to prospects using an automation that kind of goes hand in hand with this to be able to send them proposals and see if they like the website, so you can go ahead, sell them the website, and start getting paid. So give it a watch, and I'll see you guys in the next one.